Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Family video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm going to show you how to get this off your laptop when you try to turn on your laptop and it is giving you this message where it is saying that boot device not found, install an operating system on your hard disk. Right, so as for you experiencing this problem, one, it can actually be that your hard drive is not connected properly. Now I would have already opened this laptop, so let's just show you. Right, so would have already opened it, so that's the hard drive there. Now the hard drive, it is properly connected. I'm sure that it is properly connected, so that is not the issue. I would have also connect the hard drive to external adapter, which it actually works, actually comes up on my desktop computer. Right, I would have tried it on this, so this is what I use to test hard drive if it is working. Right, so I would have already done this. Right, so I'm gonna show you how to actually fix that problem. So let's go actually connect the USB keyboard to the laptop. Much easier for me, because I realize that especially if the laptops comes with function key, that's the FN key, actually don't work well. So we're gonna actually go into the BIOS, and in order for you to go to the BIOS for this one, so I'm gonna go into the BIOS. And as for this laptop, F10 should take you to the BIOS. Alright, so I'm actually in the BIOS now. Now you want to go to the boot option. So system configuration, then go down to boot options, select it. Now you want to go down to that one that said legacy support. It is disabled, you want to enable it. Okay, yes. Now you want to go down to this one that said U, the one that said UEFI. As you realize, it is saying OS boot manager. Now you want to set that one that said internal CD/RM drive. And F6 will actually carry it up. Okay, down the legacy section, you want to ensure that your notebook hard drive is at the first boot option there. So as you can see down the bottom there, notebook hard drive, you have to ensure that it is actually your first bootable device. Then once you have done all of that, click on F10 to exit and save. Yes, so your laptop should now boot, waiting for that Windows logo to come up. Right, so that's the Windows logo. So that's how you actually fix, well, this is one way of fixing the problem whenever you're getting that screen where it is asking you to actually install Windows or ensure that the hard drive is connected properly. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, Please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.